Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss another chapter or another topic of the same chapter, that is clouds. Okay. In this topic we are going to discuss about the clouds. Okay. Clouds and different types of the clouds, definition of the clouds. This thing we have to discuss. First, before discussing types of the clouds, we have to know what is clouds. A clouds is a large collection of very tiny droplets of water or ice crystals. The droplets are so small and light that they can float in the air. Okay, so this is the definition of the clouds. Okay, then come to first question can become after the definition, that why do clouds float, or why all the clouds are floating in the atmosphere. Okay, a cloud is made of a liquid water droplets, that is, perhaps that is known as a water vapor. Okay, so a cloud forms when air is heated by sun and it rises, because when water, you can say, the transform or converted into water vapor, its, you can say, the weight become very less, it slowly cools, it reaches the saturation point, and you can say water condenses and forming a cloud. As long as the cloud and the air that is made of a warmer than the outside, so that time outside of the air, so it floats. So when these are in the small particles, okay, and which are floating with the hydroscopic nuclei. Hydroscopic nuclei mean the small particle of, you can see, the dust. So including these are also floating in the atmosphere, so that's why it's floating. Then come to, okay, types of there are three main types of the clouds, perhaps you know. First one is the cirrus or the thin feathery clouds. Second one is the stratus, that is the layered clouds, and cumulonimbus or the cumulus or the fluffy clouds, so that is known as three type of clouds. Okay, so these are the main three types of clouds. Okay, if you want to discuss the cirrus clouds, are all the most common types of the clouds. Okay, and this can be found because in the upper layer of the atmosphere. So they are composed of ice and they are thin, wispy, and cloud blown in the high winds into long streamers. Cirrus clouds are usually these are usually white and predict fear of the pleasant weather. And when there is a weather is very you can say the pleasant, so that time this type of clouds can be seen in the higher altitude. By watching, you can say, by watching the movement of the cirrus clouds, you can tell that the direction of the wind approaching. And when we see the cirrus cloud, it is usually indicate that there is a changes of you can see the 24 hours. Okay, so this you can see, perhaps see that this is called the cirrus type of the clouds. Okay, cirrus type of the clouds. And next come to the stratus clouds. So these are, you can say, are uniform grayish clouds which are often entire sky, and they resemble fog that does not, you can say, reach to the ground. Light mist or the drizzle, something fall out these clouds. Okay, this thing have to do. So these are the stratus clouds. Then come to the, you can say, the cumulonimbus. Okay, cumulonimbus, you can say, what are these are, you can say, the cumulonimbus or cumulus, you can say what, that the whitey puffy cloud that look like pieces of floating cotton. Okay, and cumulus clouds are often called the fair weather clouds. Okay, this is called the fair weather clouds. So base of the clouds is flat, and the top of, you can say, the rounded towers, it is look like rounded towers. And when the drops on the top of the you can say the cumulus clouds resemble head of the cauliflower. Okay, so this time, and it is called the cumulus, okay, congesto congustus and the towering cumulus. These clouds grow upward and they can develop into giant cumulus clouds, which are thunderstorm clouds. Okay, so sometime it can be developed. So most of the rainfall occurs due to the cumulonimbus. So you can say this type of the clouds if you found in your locality, so that time you can easily say these are the type of the cumulonimbus, or the you can say the cumulus. Okay, so these are the you can say the type of the one chart has been given. On the basis of this you can say that's the high cloud, that is the cirrus above the 18,000 feet. So cirrus are also, there are subtypes: cirrus, cirrostratus and cirrocumulus. Okay, that is given. Then come the middle, that is the alto, that is 6,500 feet to 18,000 feet, that is the altostratus and altocumulus. Okay, so middle. Then come to another, that can you can say low clouds. Low clouds perhaps you know, that is the up to 6,500 feet. So stratus, okay, stratus you can say the, then another you can say the stratocumulus, then the nimbostratus. Okay, some of the you can see the clouds with vertical growth. So some of the clouds you can say that can grow vertically, so that can cumulus and cumulonimbus type of. So the cumulonimbus is a type of the clouds. Due to this fact, what happened, the you can say the rainfall, thunderstorm, okay, all these phenomenon occur on that area. Okay, that thing. Then come to if you see as per or you can say the high and mid low clouds. So here you can see cumulonimbus, these are the cumulonimbus. So lower portion of the, as you can see, lower portion of the you can see the cumulonimbus that occurs in the rainfall. Okay, so these are the you can say the high clouds. Okay, cirrocumulus, okay, cirrostratus, cirrus, and altocumulus, altostratus, and you can see the nimbostratus, that is also rainfall occur due to this rainfall. Stratocumulus, okay, stratus and the cumulus. So these are the main type of the important of the clouds. So perhaps you know that the clouds helps regulate the earth energy balance by the reflecting and scattering the solar radiation from the earth surface. Okay, you can say clouds are required for the precipitation to occur. So precipitation occur due to this, and the are you can see the essential part of the hydrological cycle or the water cycle. Clouds indicate water, you can say the what you can say clouds indicate the types of the atmospheric you can process. These are you can say the these are occurring. Cumulus clouds indicate the surface heating and atmospheric turbulence will be there. Okay, clouds help redistribute extra heat from the equator towards the pole. So these are the main features or the main importance of the clouds. Okay, so so this we have to you can say the study. Okay, this we have to study one by one. Okay, so this much for today. You study and you can say the watch this video again and again. Thank you for watching.